Hello students. Now in today's class, first we have to revise what we have done in last class. We studied about similar triangles and difference between the similar triangles and congruent triangles, and why the two triangles are called similar. What are the conditions of two triangles to be similar? We have studied in the last class of similar triangles from class 10. Now today I teach you about very important theorem, that is Thales theorem. I am teaching you now with proof what is Thales theorem, what is the statement of Thales theorem and how to prove it. And this Thales theorem is also called basic proportionality theorem. So first, what is the statement of this theorem? So Thales theorem states that in a triangle, if we have draw one line parallel to one of the sides of a triangle, so this line divides the remaining two sides in the same ratio. So look at the figure. In the triangle ABC, DE is one of the line parallel to BC. हमने DE की लाइन DE को पैरेलल खींचा किसके? BC के. तो that's DE divides the remaining two sides. कौन कौन से बचे दो sides? AB and AC. तो divides the two sides in the same ratio means AD upon DB or AE upon EC. So when we prove any theorem, 5 things to be remembered in your mind. 5 important things. First is figure. Second, what is given? What is given in the question, in the theorem? In triangle ABC, DE is parallel to BC given, so write with given. Then what we need to prove? To prove that AD upon DB is AE upon EC. So some construction is required here. So we have to draw some construction, and it is very important that you have to show the construction part in the figure by dotted lines only. So first of all, DF perpendicular on AC. DF is perpendicular on AC. And then draw EG perpendicular on AB. EG perpendicular on AB. Join BC and join BE and CD. Join CD and BE. So this is the construction part. This is given. This is to prove. This is construction part. This is figure. So 4 parts to ho gaye. Now what is the 5th part? Proof. So look at what we need to prove. AD upon DB. So we have to take two triangles such that एक ट्रायंगल में साइड AD आए, एक ट्रायंगल में साइड DB आए. That is a technique. So take the triangle ADE because the AD is there, and the other triangle DBE because the BB is there. The DB is there. So take the ratio of the area of these two triangles. So area of triangle ADE upon area of triangle BDE. And what is the formula of area of triangle? Half. What is the base? Is AD, and the altitude is EG. Look at the second triangle BDE. What is the base? Is BD, but what is the altitude? Is EG. Why? Why? Because BD is the extension part of AD, and you know very well in acute angle triangle, when we draw the altitude inside the triangle, but when we draw any obtuse angle triangle, if we draw the altitude from the vertex, we draw the altitude outside the triangle. So AB is the extension part of BD. So when we draw the altitude EG, it is to be considered the altitude for BD also. It is to be considered the altitude for BD also. These two figures clear this concept. It's clear to you? Okay. So half cancel, EG cancel, the AD upon BD is the equation number 1. Area of triangle ADE, area of triangle BDE. Now, second, because we want AE and EC. So AE and EC are these two sides. So again, take the ratio of the area of triangle ADE and area of triangle CED. What is the formula of this triangle? Now change the altitude. If you are taking the altitude DE, DF, so the base is AE. Half base is AE. For AE, the altitude is DF. Half, what is the base? Is CE. And again the altitude is DF, same reason. Half से half cancel, DF से DF cancel. So area of triangle ADE upon area of triangle CED is AE upon CE, question number 2. Now, you have done one theorem in class 9. Area of triangle BDE is equal to area of triangle CBE. Why? Why the area of triangle BDE is equal to the area of triangle CED? Why? मैंने हिंट दे दिया, one of the theorem that we have learned in chapter area in class 9. तो जल्दी बताओ, याद आया? Yes. Two triangles are equal in area if they lie on the same base. Both the triangle have same base DE and between the same parallels DE and BC. The two triangles are on the same base and between same parallel. That's why the two triangles area are equal. Clear? So the reciprocal also equal. Very basic concept I am using here. In the book this concept is not given, but please pay attention. I am using this basic concept for you. If two numbers are equal, their reciprocals are equal. सिर्फ आता है x is equal to y, तो 1 upon x is equal to 1 upon y है ना. The two reciprocals are equal. Multiply both sides by what we want? ADE. Area of triangle ADE. Euclid's law. In two equal things, if we multiply equal to equal, the result will be equal. This is called Euclid's axiom, one of the Euclid's axiom. So if we multiply area of triangle ADE both sides, what is the result? Area of triangle ADE upon what is here? Area of triangle BDE. Area of triangle ADE upon what is here? Area of triangle CBE. So from equation 1, what is area of triangle ADE upon area of triangle BDE is equal to AD upon BD, put here. And from equation 2, what is the ratio of area of triangle ADE and area of triangle CED? CED is there. Sorry. Area of triangle CDE. CED is there. CED is there. CED is there. CED था ना? CED and BDE. Yes. Triangles BDE and CED. Triangles are on the same base DE and between the same parallels. Okay? Correction हो गया. So what is the ratio of ADE upon area of triangle CED from the second equation? What is the ratio from the second equation? AE upon EC. AE upon CE. Hence proof. यही proof करना था. AD upon BD is equal to AE upon EC. Hence proof. Clear? It's clear? Okay. So please revise this at home. If you have any doubt, you ask me in the next class. Till then, goodbye and thank you very much.